Hi everybody, I'm Kelsey with AIA Beauty Bundle, and I'm so excited to show you guys the brand new January bundle featuring Naturium. Naturium is known for their clinically effective, biocompatible skincare. Naturium products are plant-powered, high-tech, skin-compatible, and dermatologist tested. Let's get started! First, you'll be getting the Niacinamide Cleansing Gel 3%. This product has such a cool, nice texture. It feels just like a gel and it feels amazing on the skin. And I love how it's not too harsh and it does not strip my skin of all the natural oils that I want to keep after cleansing. Also, the clinical level of niacinamide in this product gently allows it to dissolve your makeup and any impurities on your skin. It also targets dark spots and uneven textured, which is amazing so you can have that perfectly smooth, glowing skin. Since the consistency of this product is so jelly-like, feel free to use it on dry or damp skin. You're gonna love how soft and smooth and more balanced your skin is going to feel as a result. You can use this cleanser morning or night, or for an extra gentle treatment on your skin, you can use it as a mask and leave it on for 5 minutes before rinsing. Next, you'll be getting the BHA Liquid Exfoliant 2%. This is a leave-on exfoliant that has salicylic acid and bioactive fruit acid. This product unclogs your pores, evens the skin tone, and smooths out fine lines and wrinkles. Exfoliation can create radiant, glowing skin and maintain your pH levels. Be sure to shake well, and after cleansing, apply an even amount to the face with either the palms of your hand or a cotton round. Do not rinse this product, leave it on after applying. Start with a few applications a week and you can increase from there. I love the way this product feels as I'm applying it. It's really nice and fresh. I can tell that the ingredients are really clean because my face feels really fresh and clean. It doesn't feel heavy. It wasn't burning or stinging. Next up is the Niacinamide Serum 12% plus Zinc 2%. This serum reduces the look of large pores, refines the appearance of uneven texture, balances excess oil, and purifies the skin. This is made with naturally derived salts, advanced hydrators, and powerful antioxidants. Even though this is highly concentrated niacinamide, it's perfect for sensitive skin. It's a potent, clean formula that works. Shake well and then apply an even layer onto the skin. You can apply this on the face, neck, and even the chest. You can apply this product in the morning and at night. This product is awesome because I have dark spots from the sun, so this will help even those out, and it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Next up, you'll be getting the Vitamin C Complex Serum. This is a very potent formula that contains vitamin C, highly stabilized L-ascorbic acid, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, and a bioactive fruit blend that brightens and protects your skin from environmental stressors. It boosts your collagen production, offers 100% antioxidant protection, and will improve the efficacy of the products you use after. For best results, follow this product with a moisturizer and use SPF in the morning. Shake well and apply an even layer to the face, neck, and chest. I love how light this serum feels while I'm applying it. It absorbs into the skin super quickly, and I'm so excited to see how it brightens up my skin. I have sensitive skin, so I love that this product is fragrance free, so I know that it's not going to irritate my skin. You'll also be getting the Multi-Peptide Moisturizer. This is a nutrient-dense moisturizer, and it's formulated with our multi-peptide blend. This moisturizer is very nutrient-dense. It's formulated with a botanical-based natural peptide formula and contains ascorbic acid and amino acids packed with peptides. The multi-peptide blend helps support elasticity, improves the appearance of lines and wrinkles, and softens and smooths the skin. Overall, you'll feel nourished and improves fine lines and texture. Gently massage this product into the skin using upward motions. I love how this moisturizer doesn't feel too thick on my skin. It's always nice to feel like your products are compatible with your actual skin. It also feels really light and airy, and I love that because sometimes skin products can feel a little heavy on the skin, and this one's the complete opposite. I also love that this product contains vitamin C and panthenol. Last but not least, you'll be getting the Phyto-Glow Lip Balm in Clear. It's intensely nourishing and formulated with phyto-derived esters, shea, kapuaku butter, and plant squalene that leaves the lips feeling soft, smooth, and silky. It'll also add that perfect glow and provide long-lasting moisture. Apply this product throughout the day to nourish and hydrate the lips, and it's also great as an overnight lip mask. I'm definitely adding this product to my everyday routine, and I'm always going to make sure to have one on hand. These products are high quality, and I'm so excited for you guys to try them. Remember that you can subscribe to these bundles for 1 month, 3 months, or all the way up to an entire year. If you want to get your hands on this month's bundle featuring Naturium, be sure to subscribe at AIABeautyBundle.com. See you next time!